Well, welcome back, my fellow noobs. Today we're going to get some baby dolphins. Dolphins here, this female here, she's about a 5-incher or so, 6-incher. She's holding babies. She has been for a little over 3 weeks now. She's got quite a little pouch going on. She won't release the babies because the frontoses are in here, and the dolphins' frontoses are all hiding at the moment. Let me grab the camera real quick. Now the frontoses, they're in there. They're hiding. One in the hole there. But anyway, there's the dolphins back there. But that female right there. Get a real close look at that pouch under there. Generally when they develop that pouch, those eggs have turned to babies, and she's got a mouthful of them, I'm pretty darn sure. And I'm going to get my wife in here and get her to help me strip these babies. I haven't had a successful dolphin burst yet. We had that black frontoses that's in that hole right there. She did have a set of babies, and they're about 3 months old now, inch or so long. So anyway, there's all the dolphins gathered. First of all, I gotta catch a female, which could be problematic in this tank. I'm hoping that she's going to move a little slow because she's probably pretty weak this morning after not eating that long. You see how her color is. Well, they're all a little light this morning, but she's like a gray color. I think it's because she hadn't ate in a while, so let's see if we can catch her. Yeah, generally these fish, they don't like it when I get the net out. I'm hoping maybe I can get her in one swoop. First I gotta get my eye on her. There she is. Making sure I got the right one here. Okay, we got her in the little jar thing here. Ooh. She's a little big for this, I hope. We can do this without her jumping out. Oh, there's already see a baby. Oh, they're tiny. They're just hatching. Let her smash them. They're very tiny. They're just now. We should let them in another week. That's okay. I'll put some air in there.
You have a couple that are still eggs. And she's done.
Okay. Okay, I stripped them a little sooner than I probably should have waited about 4 more days, 5 more days. But they'll be fine. They're starting to free swim. There's a bunch of them. Okay, so we got her back in the tank now. She made it without any problems. Spit those eggs out. Eggs and babies out. So all's good in the food there. And now, so I've got all these half-hatched babies in here. Actually, most of them are wiggling around, and geez, there's a bunch of them. Generally, they only have like 25 or so. It looks like there's 50, probably, but they're all wigglers. Wouldn't consider any of them free swimming yet. So now I've just got to decide. I'm going to put them in a little shrimp tank here to grow out, but I'm thinking about leaving them here until they get completely swimming before I put them in there. But there's not many shrimp in there, but I don't know, with them just sitting still or barely moving, they might decide to come over there and start eating on some babies. So I'm going to give them a couple days, 3 or 4 or 5 in this. I just got to find an aerator for it. Anyway, there we go. Dolphin stripping 101. Mark your dates down if you can, a little better, because dolphins take a little longer than your normal cichlid on the hatching process. Those are just a little bigger and a little slower growing, I guess. Anyway, there you go. We will see you on the next video. Like and subscribe to our channel, please. Garden Noob out.